Be ready. Start. Landlady filed RCP 99/2013 before the Rent Control Code Chavakad against tenant and subtenants. The proceedings reached the final hearing stage. Arrears of rent and sublease are the two grounds alleged in the rent control petition. A copy of the petition is Exhibit P1. Petitioners herein are the subtenants. Respondent is the landlady. The tenant is not made a party in this original petition. Petitioners do not dispute the sublease. They contended the sublease to be not objectionable. They say that it was with the consent of the landlady the sublease was made. Exhibit P2 is a copy of the counter statement filed by the subtenant in the OP 133 rent control proceedings. The power of attorney holder of the landlady was examined as PW1. The subtenants produced a few rent recipients purported to have been issued to them by PW1. PW1 denied the signatures in those rent receipts. Therefore, the subtenants filed three interlocutory applications, namely IA number 10064 2016 para, IA number 10064 2016 was filed to get the evidence reopened. The evidence was sought to be reopened to examine one more witness. IA number 10065 2016 was filed requesting to receive witness list after condoning the delay in filing it. The witness is stated to be the tenant of a room in the same building. His examination was sought in order to prove the disputed signatures in the disputed rent OP number 133/16 recipients. IA number 1006 2016 was filed requesting to issue summons to the said witness. The Rent Control Court dismissed all the applications. The order in IA number 10064 2016 are Exhibit P6, P7 and P8 respectively. Two reasons are stated to dismiss those applications. First, the competence of the witness to prove the disputed fact was not shown to the satisfaction of the court. Second, the fact proposed to be proved would have no relevance as the disputed receipts were issued in the name of the tenant. Heard the learned counsel on both sides. Petitioners herein are admittedly subtenants. They say that the sublease was not objectionable. According to them, it was OP 133/16 with the consent of the landlady the building was sublet. In order to prove their case, the subtenants produced a few rent recipients. They allege that those receipts were signed and issued by PW1 as the power of attorney holder of the landlady. PW1 denied the signatures in those receipts to be his. Therefore, the subtenants sought for the examination of the witness to prove the disputed signatures to be those of PW1. The subtenants to be denied such an opportunity is the question. Subtenants are certainly not necessary parties in a rent control proceedings between the landlady and the tenant. It is so even in cases where sublease is taken as a ground for eviction. The Rent Control Court said that it was not satisfied of the competence of the proposed witness to prove the disputed fact. That was one reason why the Rent Control Court dismissed the application. The subtenant wanted to examine the witness to prove that the signatures in the disputed receipt belonged to PW1. The subtenants chose a tenant of the same building to prove the disputed signatures. He was chosen, perhaps he might have received rent receipt signed by PW1. The competence of a witness to prove a fact is normally a matter to be decided after reading his evidence and not before his examination unless his incompetence is so patent. Stop.